I do the Hiawassee, but mainly for kayak instruction. Let's go. Ready, 2 forward. Here we go. Ready, 2 forward. 1, 2. Ready, 2 forward. All right, team, we're coming up on Hiawassee ledges, named after the Hiawassee River. We got 2 ledges coming up. Let's go. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 1 forward. And lean in, little bump here. Recover. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 2 forward. Lean in, lean in. And recover. Nice. Let's celebrate. Give me a paddle high five, ladies up top. Paddle high five.
What did you say, Jezreel?
Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 1 forward.
Hello, hello.
Sorry.
Everybody.
Watch out to your right, guys. Watch out, there's a little land.
All right, y'all. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Ready, 2 forward. We're gonna start pushing our friends into the trees. I know, right? It's all this webbing we have. It's just fast webbing. Hey, sweetheart. Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 2 forward.
I have fun. I enjoy it. But I don't know what is coming.
Ready, 1 forward. All right, team. Got a little bit more of the calm area, but we're coming up on one of our bigger rapids, one of the biggest rapids we're gonna hit today. The big class 4 called Table Saw.
Oh my.
Immediately following Table Saw, we have a little bit of time, but just after it, we have another class 4, which is also big, called Diamond Splitter. So back-to-back big rapids coming up. First one's Table Saw, second one is Diamond Splitter. Let's go, ready, 2 forward. That's on the upper Ocoee. They did the section on this river though. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 3 forward. All right, make sure we're still going together. Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 2 forward. Here comes Table Saw. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 1 forward. Yee! Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 2 forward. All right, y'all, coming up to Diamond Splitter here. Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 1 forward. Ready, 2 forward. Ready, 1 forward, and get down, get down. And recover, y'all, hop on up, recover. Ow, ow. Hey ladies, let's celebrate. Give me a paddle high five.